Hello guys, today we are going to study the lesson 13 part 2, which is about rising wedge. So the rising wedge happen on uptrend line. This is uptrend line. We have a snapping tool. So this is the support because this is checkpoint and this is become support and this is checkpoint resistant. Yeah. Okay, so it happened on uptrend line. Okay, so this is important because you know where to sell your coins. Okay, so you buy at this price at support, and you can sell it here 30 or 40%, and then you observe, does it break this? If it breaks this, it will come to this. Well, how do you know it will come to this? You take this, you draw this rectangle from support to resistance and copy and paste this here. If it breaks this resistance, it will come up here, so you can sell it. Or you can set OCO here. Okay, so you can set OCO. Let's say horizontal line. Okay, so you buy it here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh my God. Wait, what is it for? The USDT. Okay, Control Z. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. So again, you buy at this price. At this price, 1.12, and you can sell it here, 30% here. 1.19, and you can set OCO. So first you can sell it here, sell it here. If not, sell it here. If it doesn't break this resistance, you can sell it here. Okay. OCO. We have a price, stop, limit, and amount your money. Okay. So first you already sell here 30%, and the last is 70%. So you can set OCO. So you can sell it 1.2239. Yeah, you can sell this price. But it break. But if it not break this resistance, you sell this price 1.161. Okay. 1.162, and you sell it 1.1161. Okay, your amount. What is your amount? The last 70%. Sell it here. Okay, so again, rising wedge happen on uptrend. So you can buy it here, and sell it here 30%, and you observe it, does it break the resistance? Or after you sell it, you can set OCO without spend time watching on it by copy this from support to resistance. Copy this and move it here, and you know where it will go. It will go up here by setting OCO. Sell it here. If not, you can sell it here. Yeah. If you don't do like that, if you don't do like that, you know, if you don't sell it here, it will go out, go down, or something we don't know. So we protect, we manage our balance. So you see it go down, up again, you, and always down, yeah, down, down, down until now, long time ago. That's why you can set OCO, and this is very important. You know where the trend will go, and you will know before the trend will go down. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have a question, you can comment below. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.